Hi everybody, hope you all are doing fine. I'm Shabana Shahab, your educator and mentor for VARC. In case you're an aspirant for CAT 2026, be there with me for the next 10 minutes. This is the session that will help you with all the big and small details because in this I'm going to cover the A to Z of CAT 2026. I would like to get the ball rolling by talking about how difficult or easy the test is. Well, CAT is definitely a moderate test. It's a test of strategy and time management. So with the right kind of guidance, anybody can take the CAT. So what is CAT? CAT is Common Admission Test. It's a computer-based test conducted at centers. You cannot take it from your home. So it is conducted at centers by the IIMs of the country. What are IIMs? IIMs are the Indian Institutes of Management. Just like we have NLUs for law and IITs for engineering, we have IIMs for CAT. There are currently 21 IIMs in the country and we are moving towards our 22nd one, which is there at Guwahati. Now, every year, one IIM gets to conduct the CAT. Like CAT 2025 was conducted by IIM Kozhikode and CAT 24 was conducted by Kolkata. Let's see which IIM gets the chance to host CAT 2026. When I talk about the IIMs, it's worth mentioning that there are some very old IIMs, some new ones, and some baby IIMs as well. Kolkata being the oldest and Guwahati being the newest kid on the block. When you start preparing, you'll come across this term Blacki, B-L-A-C-K-I. Well, these are the oldest IIMs of the country and they hold a lot of clout. But do not follow what others are doing. It's not necessary that you have to go only to one of those. Even if you manage to secure an admission to one of the newer IIMs, it's good. And besides the IIMs, there are various other prestigious institutes of the country that accept CAT scores. So there will be no dearth of options for you. By now you must be wondering, how big is the game? How many seats are there? And what kind of competition will I face? Well, put together, the IIMs give you roughly 6,000 seats. And year after year, about 3.3 to 3.5 lakh test takers appear for the CAT. But in CAT 2025, we saw a dip in that number. The total number of test takers stood at 2.58 lakh for that year. Next up on the list is eligibility. So are you eligible for the CAT? Well, if you have completed your graduation from one of the recognized institutes of the country, or if you're still in your final year, or if you hold a professional degree like the CA or CS, go ahead, take the CAT, you're very much eligible. If you're a working pro, do you hold an advantage? To some extent. If you're a fresher, should you not appear for CAT? No, it's not true because it depends on the institute. There are some IIMs that give preference to working pros, but there are some other IIMs that actually are very open to taking freshers. Now, there's another thing. People believe that CAT is meant only for engineers. No, it is very wrong. Let me bust that myth right now. Go ahead, even if you're a non-engineer and if you're able to crack maths, you have a little bit of command over English and you can do reasoning, go ahead, you can take the test. So when is CAT conducted? Every year on the last Sunday of November. Last year it was November 30th. This year it's going to be November 29th, so far I remember. Karna kya hai? You just have to go to the official website, click open and see if the forms are out. The forms are generally out in the first week of August and then there is a last day for submission as well. So you need to fill in all your details meticulously, be very particular about your full name, about the details that are there on your government IDs and all. Once you submit your form, the window gets closed and then after a few weeks, a window reopens just for a few corrections. How much money do you have to pay for this form? It's 2,600 rupees if you are general category. However, if you're a certificate holder for SC, ST, PWD, that is persons with disability, or EWS, that is economically weaker section, you need to pay about 1,300 rupees. But then you need to get those valid certificates as proof for your claim. भाई अगर फॉर्म्स की बात कर ही रही हूँ तो दो चीजें और बता देती हूँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Point number 1, do you get to select the slot for CAT? No, absolutely not. CAT is conducted in 3 slots, morning, afternoon and evening. I'm going to come to that a little later, but no, you do not get to pick the slot. However, you can select the city where you wish to take the test. I think 5 preferences you can give and depending on the availability, you'll be given that. Point number 2, जो 2600 रुपए आप डाल रहे हो for the form, that keeps you eligible only for the IIMs. So you won't have to pay separately for the IIMs, but then if you are going to apply to some other institutes, the non-IIMs, you need to pay separately. You need to go to those particular websites and fill the forms with separate fees. चलिए भाई, फॉर्म तो भरवा दिया मैंने, आगे बढ़ते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्लॉट्स एंड द पैटर्न. So CAT is conducted in 3 slots: morning, afternoon and evening. Morning is 8:30 to 10:30. सुबह उठना पड़ेगा if you get the first slot. Afternoon is 12:30 to 2:30 and then the evening is 4:30 to 6:30. Once you get your admit card and you know which slot you have been given, please start training your brain and body according to the slot, because if you got the morning slot and you do not know what a morning looks like, वहीं पे प्रॉब्लम हो जानी है. सो उसके बाद आपको अपनी कंडीशनिंग शुरू करनी है till the day of the CAT. Moving on to the pattern, well, there are 3 sections where you are tested. Section number 1, VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension. Simple language में बोले तो English. That is where I come into the picture. Second one is DILR, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and the third one is QA, quantitative aptitude, उसका full form ACA, maths. So इन तीनों में आपकी काबिलियत चेक की जाएगी. How many hours are there? 2 hours जिसमें आपको 68 questions मिलेंगे. 24 questions in VARC and 22 each for the remaining 2 sections. Are you supposed to do all the questions? Definitely not. That is the beauty of CAT. Even if you do about 50 to 55% of the paper, you hold a chance to score 99 plus percentile. Yes, you heard me right. Now, किस तरह के questions होते हैं? There will be a mix of multiple choice questions and TETA. TETA क्या होता है? Type in the answer. So, let's say verbal ability में आपका parajumbles का question है, जिसमें instead of being given options A, B, C, D या C, A, D, B, कोई options नहीं होंगे. You will be asked to fill in the answer, type in the answer. और एक अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि TETA में आपके negative marks नहीं है. So जहाँ you get 3 marks plus 3, that is for every correct answer, and you lose -1 for every wrong answer. वहीं TETA अगर आपने अटेम्प्ट किया है तो वो आपका कोई नेगेटिव मार्क नहीं देगा आपको, लेकिन TETA क्वेश्चंस करने में अक्सर ये होता है कि हमारा टाइम ज्यादा खप जाता है. सो ये आपको पहले से स्ट्रेटेजी सेट करनी होगी. आउट ऑफ द 68 क्वेश्चंस आपने कितना करना है हर सेक्शन में, कौन से TETA करने हैं, कौन से MCQs करने हैं, ये सब पहले से सोच लेना होगा आपको. अब तो हमने टेस्ट भी दे दिया, चलिए लेट्स वेट फॉर द रिजल्ट्स नाउ. रिजल्ट्स कब आएंगे? 15 to 20 days after the test. और आंसर की तो उसके भी पहले आ जाती है. But hang in there, something very important. If you get a very good percentile, does that guarantee you a seat at the IIMs? No, it doesn't. वही तो प्रॉब्लम है मेरे दोस्त, because this is just part of the game. I mean, cracking the test. After that, you have to face VAT, GD and PI. बताती हूँ तीनों क्या है. VAT is written ability test, GD is group discussion, and PI is personal interview. PI can actually be the game changer. Even if you've got a 99 point some percentile, it doesn't guarantee कि आप PI में conversion कर ही लोगे. So if you're weak in communication skills, start working on those things from now itself. अच्छा, VAT क्या होता है? VAT and GD are generally the sifting process. Before calling somebody for the interview, they want to separate the grain from the chaff. So आपको एक essay लिखने को दिया जाएगा 200 to 50 words में, and then depending on your ability, you will be called for the interview. Okay, now we are done with all these things. Let's say you don't get a good percentile in the CAT. Should that be the end of the world for you? No, actually not, because there are other choices. Other choices बोले तो क्या क्या है वो मैं कुछ आपको बता देती हूँ ऐसे. एक है NMAT. NMAT and SNAP. नरसी मुंजी इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए ये टेस्ट होता है NMAT. It is conducted by the body GMAC. This comes in December. There is a window actually, 70-75 day का window जिसमें आप फॉर्म भरोगे और आप उस इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए टेस्ट दोगे. Then there is SNAP, SNAP, जो कि Symbiosis International University conduct करवाता है. There are about 23 institutes under the flagship, and उनके लिए आप ये वाला टेस्ट दे करके, if you crack it, you are eligible for admission. उसके अलावा you get XAT, XAT. That is conducted by XLRI. ये क्या होता है? XAT is a test that gives you, in fact, it's one of the oldest tests, and it gives you admission to XLRI, XIME, XIMB and all the other X वाले institutes under that umbrella. ये हो गया. उसके बाद आपका CMAT भी आता है. So CMAT है, महाराष्ट्र सेट है, ATMA है, choices की कमी नहीं है. ठीक है. और हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छी चीज यहाँ पे ये होती है, if you are preparing for CAT, you automatically get prepared for these other tests. Of course, there are some differences between these tests. जैसे आपका कैट के लिए ग्रामर जरूरी नहीं होता है वर्बल में, जैट के लिए वर्बल जैट में ग्रामर बहुत जरूरी होता है। सो ये कुछ पॉइंट्स होते हैं इधर उधर डिफरेंस के, बट ऑल इन ऑल इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कैट यू आर मूविंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन। तो ये सारी चीजें आई होप आपको क्लियर हो गई हैं। इन द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस, कैट इज अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजी. CAT is about having a balanced head on your shoulders and thinking carefully about what you want to do in the test. जैसा मैंने बताया 68 क्वेश्चंस हैं, 68 क्वेश्चंस में कौन से करने हैं कौन से नहीं करने, क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव योर स्पीड, टेक्निक्स, what are the techniques that actually help you save the day. ये it's a combination of a lot of things, and in case you're looking for mentors, in case you're looking for the right guidance in the right direction, you know where to find me. So on this note, I would like to sign out, and all the very best to all the aspirants out there.